How to create the Pioneer account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to register or sign up for the Pioneer account, then you have come to the right place. First and foremost, search for Pioneer. Once that is done, tap on the first link, which is www.pioneer.com. After that, you will land to this page. Now, if you check on the top right corner, you will see a register button. Tap on it, which should now redirect you to another page. From here, you need to choose the right Pioneer account type. It could be freelancer, online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental host, or individual. Tap on the option that best suits you. Now, there are three options that you need to choose from. It will also give you confirmation if there is no such options available. Tap on the one that best suits you and then you'll take to another page. From here, you have to tap on the register button. Once you tap on register button, it will take you to another page again. Hereby, you'll have to fill in the details, which includes the first name, last name, email, and the date of birth. Once that is done, tap on continue and you next need to verify your email address. A verification code will be sent to your email and you just have to confirm it. And once that is done, your account is ready and good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.